All right, number 16, difficult problem. It says if the slope between 2 points is 4 and one of the points is 2, 6, what could another possible point be? There's an infinite number of points. There's all kinds. But how do we think of this? Well, there's a couple ways. Let's start with this. Let's say you have the point 2, 6 right here. Now, we said that it has a slope of 4, meaning a positive slope of 4. So you know that it goes up 4 over 1. So you could just say, hey, what's that point? Well, if you go over 1, you're at 3. And if you go up 4, you're at a height of 10. So 3 comma 10 is one solution. And then if you wanted, you could go up another 4 over 1. Well, that would put you at 4, 14. And you could see the pattern. You could then go 5, 18, and up 4 here would be 22, and the x value going over 1. You could even drop. So there's all kinds of things you can do. That would be the typical way I would think that you might think of that. A more difficult way, and I don't know that you would do this, is we know it's the change in my y's over the change in my x's. And I know that I have a 6 for my y and a 2 for my x. So you could just simply think, hey, 6 minus what divided by 2 minus what gives us an answer of 4. And we could say, hey, well, let's make a 4 on the top if I put a 2 here and then a 1 here. So a 1 for the x and a 2 for the y would be one solution because 6 minus 2 is 4 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. That would work. This would be a much harder way to look at it. I think if you drew a picture and thought it through, you'll do much better.